Late at night, the screen is still alive. Your messages survive. Every word still echoes in my soul. In the silence, I still hear your call. Scrolling through the memories, one by one. Thought I'd already learned to run, but every notification feels the same, like a ghost whispering my name. I kept pretending that I'm alright, smiling through another sleepless night. Maybe healing starts right here tonight. Maybe it's time to rewrite my life. I've been running from the pain so long, trying to forget where we went wrong. But every road that I walk alone leads me back to what we've known. Tonight I'll reinstall my heart again, erase your name from every page I've kept. No more tears and no more broken dreams, no more drowning in the darkest scenes. I'll reinstall my heart once more, open up another brand new door. Every heartbeat heals what came before. I'll be stronger than I've ever been before. Every street reminds me where we stand. Now I'm learning how to understand. Every step makes me a little strong, even when the hurt is holding on. Used to think forever meant your face, now I'm finding my own place. Broken pieces slowly turn to gold. Every scar becomes a story told. I don't need another reason why. Sometimes love just says goodbye. Now I'm building someone I can trust, starting over from the dust. I was lost inside your shining eyes, burned my heart beneath your skies. Now I know what love should really be, setting both our souls completely free. Tonight I'll reinstall my heart again, erase your name from every page I've kept. No more tears and no more broken dreams, no more drowning in the darkest scenes. I'll reinstall my heart once more, open up another brand new door. Every heartbeat heals what came before. I'll be stronger than I've ever been before. Maybe someday when we meet again, I'll smile back at who I was back then. Not because the pain refused to fade, but because I finally found my way. No rewind, no control Z. Life keeps writing every memory. Broken hearts don't stay that way forever. Storms make people stronger than the weather. Every ending builds another start. Every scar redesigns the heart. I was falling, now I'm standing tall. Had to lose you just to find it all. Tonight I'll reinstall my heart again. Let tomorrow shine through all the pain. No more fear and no more hiding now. I'm much stronger than our last goodbye. I've already reinstalled my heart. This is where the brand new story starts. Every heartbeat leads me to the light. Tomorrow shines brighter than tonight. No more looking back, no more broken chains. I'm alive again. My heart has been real.